Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see one Olympiad problem. So here the question is given: solve in all real numbers. X square minus 2y square equal to 1, 2y square minus 3z square equal to 1, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1. Some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. So here in this channel, every day morning, Indian Standard Time 9:45, one video will be uploaded, and evening 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. another video will be uploaded. Please note this, all the viewers and subscribers. Thank you. So here. What is the logic means? Here you have to take the formula x plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. So already you know the value of xy plus yz plus zx. It is given 1 now. So this will become now x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into 1 now. Now in the place of this we are going to replace first one now. So here x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x square minus 2y square. So here you're replacing first equation, this one here in this place of 1 now. So here you'll get x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x square minus 4y square. Now if you solve this, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to 3x square minus 3y square plus z square. Now sending all the terms to one side. So here if you send all the terms to one side, what will get here? X plus y plus z whole square minus z square minus 3 into x square, if you take common, minus 3y square equal to 0. Now here you'll get a square minus b square, x plus y plus z minus z, x plus y plus z, here plus z, here minus z, minus 3 into x plus y into x minus y equal to 0. So here z get cancel, z value get cancel, plus z minus z, you can take x plus y common. X plus y common, what will get? X plus y into here x plus y plus 2z minus 3x minus 3y equal to 0. So here what you'll get here, if you solve this x plus y into minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z equal to 0. From this you can write x plus y equal to 0, or you can write it as taking 2 common, x minus 2y minus z equal to 0. What up to the end, Amma? So here x is equal to minus y. Replace this in 1. X square minus 2y square equal to 1. Then what will get here? Minus y square minus 2y square equal to 1. So here you'll get minus y square equal to 1. But y does not belongs to R. You will get square root of minus 1 y value. Now if you take the second one, x minus 2y minus z equal to 0. So here you can write x is equal to 2y plus z. So replace in the third one, xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1. Replacing x value, 2y plus z into y plus yz, z into 2y plus z is equal to 1. Now if you solve this, so here you'll get 2y square plus 4yz plus z square is equal to 1. Now if you take the second equation, 2y square minus 3z square equal to 1. Now solving this two, so what will get here? If you subtract 4yz, 2z, 2y square get cancelled, plus 4z square equal to 0. From this you can take 4z common, y plus z equal to 0. So from this you will get z equal to 0 or y plus z equal to 0. So y plus z equal to 0 means minus z square is equal to 1 now. That implies z does not belongs to real numbers. Now if we take first case, z equal to 0. Z equal to 0, if you take here, what will get? 2y square is equal to 1. In the second one, if you replace, that implies y is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. That implies x is equal to plus or minus root 2. So xy plus yz plus zx is equal to positive. That implies x comma y are of same sign. X comma y are of same sign. So here the result what will get? Xyz is equal to root 2, y value 1 by root 2, z value 0. The second case, x value minus root 2, y value minus 1 by root 2 and z value 0. I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.